in Kentucky. Carroll, Gallatin, Grant, Owen, and Pendleton. What? East winds 25 to 35 miles an hour with gusts up to 60 miles an hour expected. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive.